Welcome to the Help Tech Dad channel, the non-techie's guide to tech. My name is Reggie. My goal is to help people handle tech issues the easy way. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of securing our family online by blocking malwares, ads, and inappropriate contents. If you enjoy videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future updates. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and open up our browser. Let's search for AdGuard DNS and hit Enter key. Go ahead and click on AdGuard's public DNS link. This will take us to AdGuard DNS's info page. AdGuard DNS is a reliable way to block ads on the internet without installing a mandatory application. It's easy to use, completely free, and quick to set up. It equips with the core features required to block ads, counters, malicious websites, and adult content to keep our family safe online. Let's scroll down. Click on our server addresses. Click on Plain DNS. What we need here is the Family Protection Server IP addresses. Let's go ahead and click on the first IPv4 copy icon. Then right-click on the network icon, then click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click on the Network and Sharing Center. Then click onto your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Click on the Properties button. On this window, double-click the Internet Protocol version 4. Then choose the second option right here. Click on the box, then press Ctrl V. Let's go back to AdGuard info page. Then click on the second IPv4 copy button. Go back to the Properties page. Click on the bottom box, then press Ctrl V. Let's click on OK button twice. Then click on Close button. That's it. We are all set. Now let's do some tests to see if it's working. Let's close down our browser first and start a new one. Let's test if our system can block malware. Go ahead and type in the address wisar.org and hit Enter key. On the website, click on the Test Malware link. Then click this button. Go to Details. Then click this link. Success! As you can see, the page was blocked. Let's check the other one. Close this browser tab, then click on this button. Go to Details. Then click this link. Congratulations! We are now protected against malwares. Now let's do the ad block tests. Close this browser tab and open a new one. Let's search for AdBlock Tester. On the search results, right-click Ad Blocker Test from D3 Ward, then choose Open Link in Incognito window. It will run some tests and will show us the result. 73% on my PC, that's great. Now let's try the other link. Go back to the search results. Right-click this AdBlock Tester, choose Open Link in Incognito window. Let's scroll down to see the actual tests being run. All these tests? Wow, I got 77%, it's good enough for me. Now let's do the main test against inappropriate contents online. This is very important for all of us parents to protect our children online. Let's search for adult websites. Go to the Images section. Wow! Look at that, not a single photo. Let's check the Videos section as well. Very nice. We got rid of those contents. Okay, let's try to open the actual site for our final test. Drum roll please. It's blocked. Congratulations! We did it! I hope you'll find this video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech help.